Hi, welcome back to Moose and Chemistry. This is acid, basis, and pH lesson number 5. Determine the pH of a 2.0 times 10 - 2 molarity of SrOH2. Alright, so let's go ahead and get busy with this one right here. So we're going to go ahead and start off with this. We're going to go H3O, hydrogen ion, times our hydroxide ion, and equals 1.0 times 10 to the negative 14 m squared. All right. Ooh, look at this. We have a 2 right here. See that 2? So that means we got to multiply this number here by 2. So we're going to do that first. So we're going to go 2.0 times 10 to the negative 2 m times 2. Now give me 4.0 times 10 to the negative 2 m. Now we're ready. So what we do now is, and that's going to be our, looks like our OH ion. Yep, because it's a base. So we're going to go H3O plus times 4.0 times 10 to the negative 2 m equals 1.0 times 10 to the negative 14 m squared. So our H3O ion is going to equal 1.0 times 10 to the negative 14 m squared divided by 4.0 times 10 to the negative 2 m. So the m's cancel out, and our H3O ion, our hydrogen ion, is going to equal 2.5 times 10 to the negative 13 m. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put that into the pH formula. So pH equals negative log of the hydrogen ion, and that's going to give me this. And when we take the negative log of that number, we get a pH of 12.60, and that makes perfect sense because strontium hydroxide is a strong base, and bases are anything above 7 on the pH scale, right? So that's a very strong base. All right, let's look at our next problem. Determine the pH of a 2.5 times 10 - 6 molarity of nitric acid. Oh, this is so easy. Because this is the acid, so we're ready to go. We're ready to rock with this one because we're not using the hydroxide. So pH equals negative log of 2.5 times 10 to the negative 6, right? Yeah. And so pH is going to equal 5.60, it looks like. And that's definitely an acid. And that makes sense because this is nitric acid. All right, one more problem to do in this particular lesson. Okay, given the H3O is 6.7 times 10 - 4, what's the pH of a solution? Is it an acid? Oh, well, okay, so we have some unknown solution. We want to know if it's an acid, right? So we just go pH equals negative log of H3O plus. Okay, not too shabby. So we go pH equals negative log of 6.7 times 10 to the negative 4. 4 a little bit better. There you go. and that's M, of course. And pH is equal to 3.17. So that is definitely an acid. Yes, because it's less than 7. Okay, well that's it for this lesson. Guys, you be snarly, and we'll see you back here at Moosine Chemistry.